Today we are doing a cardio workout that you can do at home. Here we go. Let's get our heart rates up, and we are going to start by walking in place. So today we are doing a short 10-minute workout that you can do anywhere. You just need a little bit of space. It can be so convenient to do cardio at home, whether the weather's bad outside or you just can't get outside for some reason, if you're in a small space, whatever it is, we are going to find a way to get that heart rate up and have a little fun. All right, so I want you to start getting those knees a little bit higher and get that nice big arm swing going, okay? You can even put your favorite song or playlist on in the background. Big inhales and exhales here. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Now I want you to just start walking forward, tap, walking backwards, tap. So if you have a mat like I do, you can just go the length of your mat. Otherwise, just a few steps forward, a few steps back if you're in the living room, even if you're in the kitchen. So just kind of working forward and backward. And tap, 2, 3, 4, tap, 2, 3, 4. Again, no big rules here because I really want to focus on fun today. We're just gonna keep moving. I encourage you to laugh. So if you lose the choreography a little bit, just laugh. We're just gonna kind of enjoy those endorphins in this way to move a little bit differently at home. Okay, on this one, come forward, stay there, and keep walking as we transition. If you ever need to just stop and watch me, just keep walking, keep that heart rate up, and then jump in when you're ready. All right, so what we're gonna do is have the feet hip distance apart, and I'm gonna tap back with just my right leg. Tap in, tap in. You can hold a chair or a kitchen counter if you need to here. Anything to help with balance is fine. 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. So remember, I know I said this, but I just want to keep saying it. If you kind of lose this choreography, if I'm moving too fast, if you need to get a chair for balance, do it and then just come right back in. Whatever you're doing is great, even if you just get 5 reps in. Last 2, 1, walk in place. We're going to do that again. So you're either gonna do the same thing or I'm gonna show you an add-on. So I'm gonna do these add-ons throughout today's workout that if you want it a little more advanced, you can add it. If not, you don't have to. Okay, same position. So back, so I'm tapping. Now the option is just pull the knee up. So I'm not tapping when I come in. I tap back, up, up, up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. So what's great about this too is we are getting leg strength, we're getting balance work, you're getting core work here in kind of this disguise of cardio. 4, 3, 2, 1, back to walking in place and turn sideways. So now we're gonna walk to the left, okay? And then the right. So again, for me here, the length of my mat is about 3 steps. And then I tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap. But hey, if you have a big, huge space, you just keep going to the side and then go to the other side. If you want to make it a little harder, you can go lower as you walk. So you can either just, again, walk upright, or you can do almost this little squat. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do an add-on. So you can just keep going right here or skip. So what I do is step to the center and I skip to the other side. It's a little hop. So you can see how that's just making it a little harder Getting that heart rate up a little bit more. And just keep breathing. And my mat starts to slide all over the place here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice, back to walking in place. If you need to, inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Okay, bring your feet a little bit wider, turned out. I want you to lift the right leg up, down, just the right. Okay, so an option would be just standing right here, again, holding on to something, lifting the leg. Otherwise, you're a little bit wider, pulling it up. Then, final option is I have my hands up to the left, I pull them down to meet my knee and back. So I'm kind of doing this little diagonal pull, right? So lots of options, lots of add-ons. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. So again, kind of find your position. If you know you want to do the pull, you're slightly facing to the side. We're going to lift, lift. Otherwise, you're just lifting the knee. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready? Okay, option 1, just lift one knee and then the other nice and high. Option 2, back to what we were doing, but you're gonna alternate, okay? So I'm gonna do the right, left. So I'm turning, and pulling in each time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Step your feet really nice and wide. And then come down into a little sumo squat. Okay, so now we're just gonna go down, up, up. So this is kind of a place we're gonna reset here for a moment. So you can stay right here, or your add-on is down, 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 up. Pulse, 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 up. Maybe go a little deeper. And 4, 3, I'm gonna do one more add-on. 2, and 1. Okay, if you wanna do the final add-on, come down. I am gonna turn to my left, okay? So I'm gonna lunge. 1, 2, 3 pulses, center, switch. 1, 2, 3, center. 1, 2, 3, center. 1, 2, 3, center. So I'm lifting my feet to rotate. Your feet might just kind of slide. 1, 2, 3. So any of those pieces, okay, just the squats or the pulses or the lunges here with me. And last 2, actually we have to do 3 more to even yourself out. 2 here. Last one. Center, nice job. Walk it in place again. Good job. All right, I'm gonna turn again. And I want your feet to be about mat distance apart, slightly turned out. Hands are either on a balance helper or just on your waist. Down and up. So I'm kind of in this modified squat. 4, 3, 2, last one. Bring your hands to the ground. So this is the add-on. You can just keep doing the squats, or what you're gonna do, lift your hips up and back down. So my hands are staying down, but your hands can also be on a stool. Like on a bench or on a stool would be fine if you can't quite reach the ground. Okay, I have one more add-on here. If you want, come down, lift your arms, bring them down, up. So squat, arms lift, arms down, booty up. Again, all that is optional, and you're just doing those regular squats if that's best for you. 4 more. Maybe starting to sweat a little bit here. And 2. Last one. Nice job. And we're all gonna come back up to a standing position and walk in place again. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, both arms down. One more time. Nice job. Step your feet wide, slightly turned out. Bring your right arm up. Reach it over. Then when you're ready, left arm up and reach it over. Back to center. One more time. Bend your knees. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, bring them back down. And nice job. You did awesome. I know my heart rate's up. Add that in any day of the week to get a great little workout. And if you want the longer version, come check out my unlimited community. The link to sign up and join is below. I'll see you on your mat soon.